Do you have any problem in breathing in that city, Yashika?
No, not me. Not me, but many people are having lung problems now.
So obviously.
And the air smells like smoke.
Okay.
Ma'am, 5 is C because what we are doing here, this row is the square of all of the numbers added up in the previous 3 rows. So what they did here was 3 plus 2 plus 1, which is equal to 6, 2, and 6, 2 is equal to 36. Similarly, Similarly, 2 plus 4 plus 3 is equal to 9, and here given is 81, and 9 2 is equal to 81. Now what we will do here, we have all of the 3 numbers. So then 4 plus 2 plus 1 is equal to 7, and 7, wait, 7 2 is equal to 49, option C.
That is not 7 2, that is 7 square. Yes, it's correct. Okay, Yashika, do me a favor, beta. I am opening a paper. I've sent it in the WhatsApp also. I don't know whether you have done it or not. Can you do this number 24 and explain me why the answer is the one that you have forwarded? 24. This number. This you have already done in the exam. The exam that's cert 2.
Yes, wait a second. Ma'am, I could not figure it out, so what I did was 293 plus 583, then subtract it from 3984, and then I divided 1356 by that number. And it was a decimal number. I only took the first natural number.
Can you show me the calculation on the screen? No need to write in the chat. Just on the screen, show me the calculation.
Yes, ma'am, wait a second. Ma'am, first we will do this, which is in the bracket. So 293 plus 583 is equal to 876. Now we will subtract it from 3984. So 3984. So 3984 minus 876 is equal to 3108. Now 3108 multiplied by some decimal number will be lower, will give the product as a lower number. So what I did was 3108 divided by 1356. So the answer was actually endless. 2.2920354, on and on and on. So the first natural number is 2. So that is why I put 2 over here.
Okay. Thank you, Yashika. Thank you so much. Now do this one.
Because either the options are wrong, or it meant the first natural number, or the question is wrong. I also had confusion in this. Okay, whatever. Ma'am, I need to see 6 options.
Yes, sure. Since you are only doing it, let me convert into a single page.
Yes, ma'am, done. I can see it. Ma'am, I need to see the question and the options together. So it would be better if you show the entire screen. Yes, don't zoom it. Don't zoom it. Ma'am, 6 is option B. Because this figure could be cylinder only, because cylinder has 2 circular faces and 1 curled up rectangular face. Then only it becomes like this. Number 1 circle will come on the top. Number 2 circle will go on the bottom. And then this square piece will be curled up between the 2 circles. So this could be cylinder only, none other than cylinder.
Very good. Excellent. Now do the next one.
Ma'am, 7 is option C, because if we compare figure X and C. First is this pentagon which is there in both of them. Second is the circle which is there in both of them. Third is the okay, wait a second. Triangle which is there in both of them. Then is the diamond shape which is also in both of them. So the first row is the same. Then again there is a pentagon. So there is a pentagon in both of them. Then there is a upside down triangle which is there in both of them. Then in figure X there is a circle again, and in C also there is a circle. And in D there is, and in the last in the row is a snowflake design which is there in both of them. So this row is also same. Now the last row. There is a hexagon which is there in both of them. There is an arrow signaling up down in both of them. Then there is a triangle which is there in both of them, and there is that diamond shape again which is there in both of them. So as we can see that all of them are same. So option C is exactly same as figure X, and the correct answer is option C.
Very good. Excellent explanation. I'm impressed, Yashika. Now do the next one.
Okay. So what the answer will look like, I've drawn over here, and I will explain it also. Option D is correct because see, it is I, J, K, L, M. So continuing the series will be N. Now the placement of N also matters. I is in the right side, J is in the left side. K is in the right side, L is in the left side, M is in the right side. So N will obviously be in the left side. So what I've drawn here. Now in the middle, there is a pattern of triangle, circle, triangle, circle, triangle. So the next will be circle. Then there is arrows. First is an arrow pointing to the right, then is down, then is left, then is up, then is again right. So continuing the series, it will be a down arrow. Down arrow. Now there is again a series of triangle, circle, triangle, circle. But it is the opposite of what is in the middle. If there is a triangle in the middle, the other series will be a circle, and if there is a circle in the middle, then there will be a triangle in the side. So we have the northeast side and the southwest side, the southeast side of where we can put our triangle. So what we will do here first, the circle moves to the right to become a triangle. Then the triangle moves up to become a circle. Then the circle moves down to become a triangle. And then the triangle shifts to the left to become a circle. So if we want to continue the series, it will be that the circle will shift to the right to become a triangle. Now the circle is in the southwest direction. So it is basically at the bottom of the figure. So if it would move to the right, it will end up in the southeast direction. So this is the figure which we got, and option D is exactly matching with it. So option D is the correct answer.
Very good. Excellent. Now do number 9 with super explanation, Yashika.
Okay. So what I've done here is, if the dates which are multiples of 4 are considered as holidays, then how many days are working? Assume that Sunday is a holiday. So first what I did was cross out all of the Sundays, which is 3, 10, 17, and 24. They're crossed out. Then I have to cross out the multiples of 4 in this calendar. So the first multiple of 4 is 4, which I have crossed out. Then is 8, again crossed out. Then 12, then 16, then 20, then 24 is a Sunday. So I've already crossed that out. We cannot cross it out again. And then I will cross out 28. So how many days are working? The dates I have wrote here which are working, that are 1, 5, 1, 2, 5, 6, 7, 9, 11, 13, 14, 15, 18, 19, 21, 22, 23, 25, and 26. So there are, wait a second. So there are 18 working days. That is option D.
Very good. Excellent, Yashika. Now do this one, number 10.
Okay. So the words we have here are captain, capital, capsule, carpenter. Now, the rule of word occurrence in the dictionary is they will be arranged in the alphabetical order. So, in this which I wrote, there is P and there is R. As considering this R and P and P, because all of the first two letters are C, 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 C. So we cannot compare them. The different letters are P, and R. So occurs first. So R is cancelled. Carpenter is cancelled. Carpenter cannot be at the, it will be at the last. So it will be fourth. Now we are left with captain, capital, and capsule. The next different letters is T, I, and S. T, I, and S. So we need to figure out which occurs first. Here is S and T, and this is I. I is way before S and T. So capital will come as the first word. Now we have to find out the second word as written as the second position. Now there is T and S. Here S comes before T. So capsule will be at second place and captain will be at third place. We only need the second position. So capsule is the correct answer.
Very good. Excellent, Yashika. Okay. Do this one. Number 11.
Ma'am, tables is the math tables or uh, the table in which we study or keep things.
The tables on which we keep things.
Okay. Ma'am, it is option A because pineapple is a type of fruit. So in the outer circle would be fruits and the inner circle would be pineapple. Now table has no relation to fruits and pineapple, so it will be a separate circle.
Very good. Excellent, Yashika. Make sure, Yashika, this time also you score very good in IMO.
Yes. Ma'am, ABCD is the odd one out because D, F, G, H. D, There is a letter missing in the second place, which is E. And in KMNO, K, there is again a letter missing in its second place, which is L, because it's JKLMNO. Then continuing. So this is the pattern. The letters are missing in the one letter is missing in the second place. Now R, to confirm, we're doing R, and as per the pattern, there is a letter missing in the second place, which is S. Now in A, B, C, D, there are no letters missing in the second place. So A, B, C, D is the odd one out.
Very good. Now do the next one.
Ma'am, 13 is B because there will be the circle completion. Then there will be this. Wait a second. Okay. Wait, and there will be a cross here. So the square will look like this. Wait a second. Which matches with option B. So 13 is B.
Very good. Excellent. Now do number 14.
Ma'am, did you get time to check my English paper?
I sent it a long time back.
You sent it?
Yes, in your WhatsApp, that thing. I have sent it directly to you.
Okay, I'll see.
A long time back, I have forwarded. Before I got your maths copy, I actually completed your English copy. Then I started checking the maths. For that reason only I told you to send it to me fast, because once I have a time, it's not an issue. But whenever I have a lot of copy, it becomes difficult. You have made a lot of mistakes in synonyms and antonyms. There you will lose marks. Listen, Yashika, every day I will try to upload at least a video of 5 synonyms and antonyms. Try to learn it up better. I will share it in the WhatsApp group. So try to learn it. I will
Okay,
explain
ma'am.
the meaning and I will at the same time do it along with the sentence also. I will do it. It will become easier for you to do it because you never know from where the synonyms and antonyms will come. So sir is also sharing a list try to learn it from there also. I will also share every day. I will share 5. So if you learn every day 5, then in 365 days, obviously you will have a great stock of synonyms and antonyms.
Yes, ma'am.
At least you will have a stock of 1825 synonym and antonyms. Learn 5 synonyms, 5 antonyms. Whatever happens, it may be that the day is very hectic, you cannot keep your eye open, then also try to learn 5 synonyms and antonyms. And it's in a YouTube, so you can also study on a go. For example, you are traveling somewhere, you can take your mom's or your dad's phone and you can learn it out.